Dear friends, my heartiest greetings on the occasion of International Women's Day to all the women members who have made the profession proud. There is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved. It is not possible for a bird to fly on only one wing, so rightly said by Swami Vivekananda. Women are the real architects of the society. Woman power is a formidable force that can create, nurture, and transform any area. They are the real agents of change for sustainable development. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development provided us with 17 development goals, but also SDG 5, which is about achieving gender equality and empowering all women and girls in all circumstances. This has put women empowerment at the focus of international community. Women have enormous power and can bring about a substantial change in the society and the country. The fact that they constitute half of the country's population necessitates that they should be adequately empowered for the socio-economic and political progress of our country. The need of empowerment has been felt as an instrument to bring about changes in the socio-economic condition. It has been well recognized that no society can progress till women who constitute a major constituent of society lag behind. Accounting is a powerful profession and can empower women to a great extent. The profession offers various options and areas to choose from and provides a definitive edge to the holder of this qualification. We at ICAI, the second largest accounting body in the world, have firm belief in substantial change and development not only in our profession but in our nation too. It is my privilege to acknowledge that our profession has achieved a tremendous growth since its inception. Over the years, more and more women have been equally strengthening the profile of accounting profession in India with their intellectual skills and acumen. Our women professionals have grown exceptionally well, making their presence felt both at the national and international frontiers. As on date, we have almost 87,000 active women members, comprising about 27% of our total membership base. The empowerment of women in a country is directly proportionate to its growth in terms of economy, infrastructure, and development. Women have proved their mettle in every field by conquering even the impossible. Being a true partner in nation building and acknowledging its responsibility, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has always been committed to empowerment of women members in a knowledge-oriented way. In the spirit of empowering women members, the ICAI has been keeping women member-specific initiatives high on its agenda. Through a dedicated women member empowerment committee, ICAI has been taking several measures to develop capacities of women members to effectively utilize their professional knowledge and expertise. These include supporting them to take up positions of independent directors in line with the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, providing them flexi working hours option, a dedicated portal for women members, comprehensive programs on upcoming technical and non-technical topics, specialized training programs, etc. For professional growth, members on their part need to fully utilize these opportunities provided by the Institute in the form of capacity building initiatives. I wish all the women members all the success for their professional endeavors. Thank you very much.